Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to remove user from channel in Slack, kick someone out of Slack channel, easy Slack tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, so you could go ahead and do this onto your Slack browser or onto your desktop app or onto your mobile phones. So you'll just need to go ahead and log in first onto your Slack account. So that is the most important step. Make sure you're onto the right account before you go ahead and choose a workspace. So I'm currently onto my test workspace, and here just choose the right workspace and head on to channels right after. So to remove a user from a certain channel, just choose a channel that you want to go ahead and remove or kick someone out of. So for example, I have here is test. Simply click onto that, and right after you should be able to see the members here onto the upper part. So you could view all of the members in here, or you could also go ahead and try to go ahead and open the channel details. So from here, you should be able to see members. Click onto that, and there should be an option for you to remove that certain person onto your channel. Click on remove again, and that should go ahead and remove that person onto this channel. And if you go onto other channels, you should be able to see that person in there since you've just removed her onto a certain channel. And that is how easy you could remove user from channel in Slack. If you think that this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.